Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many attempts to try again later on Messenger. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many attempts to try again later on Messenger, you should just go to settings. You will click here. In the first, you can go to apps and you will enter to Messenger app. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. See you next time.